Hey y'all, Merry Christmas. I know y'all probably thought I wasn't even gonna record, didn't you? You were wrong. So, I hope everyone has been having an awesome day. My day's been real chill, laid back. I haven't done anything too serious. I did get a few gifts that I'm gonna share with y'all. But in today's video, I'm supposed to be showing y'all my hair. I actually did a poll on Instagram where I asked if I should wear my hair straight or curly today, and it's not really late, but it's starting to get dark now. So clearly I've missed a majority of the day with my hair, but I didn't do anything. I ate and chill with my family. A lot of times I try to prevent this line right here, so hopefully we don't have to look. I need to look in the mirror because okay, here we go. And this is how I normally do my hair when I straighten it, unless I put my curl formers in. So yeah, we're just gonna take this down. I'm gonna grab this little NC7 wax stick. I'm gonna slick down those edges. For starters, this has a very soft hold, so I don't mind using it. It's like really buttery, like a shea butter. I'm just gonna lay that down with my fingers. Hopefully this lays down my edges pretty well. Yep, that did the job. Okay. Whoops. But yeah, when I did the poll, everyone said that I should wear my hair curly. And as you guys already know, I need my ends clipped. I have not clipped them. This is literally my first time taking my hair down since I tied it up on camera. Ooh, my scalp is itching, y'all. My hair is always it's been so dry lately. So yeah, this is how my hair looks. Up close. I could probably put some of my Garnier Fructis oil stuff on it that I like to use. This is actually really pretty. My hair looks like I have a doobie wrap. You remember those from back in the day? So yeah, this is the big reveal. My natural hair. This is it right here. Can you guys see that? I actually saw Leah J using this in her hair too. But yeah, I've been using this for years. This is my second bottle, because I only use it when I straighten my hair out. But yeah, a little goes a long way. It's really liquidy. Aaliyah used hers prior to blow drying her hair. Me, I just like to apply it throughout my hair when it's straight, because it gives it like a real nice gloss, and you see the difference already. But it's not like it's oily or greasy, you know? But it's just a real light serum that I like to use. I think I'm gonna put my part on the side. And then I'll show you guys my gifts. Hope you're able to see this, because I didn't like pull out my whole entire lighting kit, you know. Just pulled out a little something so I could show y'all my hair. Tell me what you think. How'd I do? I don't have any earrings yet. But yeah, this is my natural hair. So we're gonna move on to the second part of this video, because I said I was gonna show y'all what gifts I got for Christmas. So I didn't ask for anything at all. I didn't. But I got some nice things from my family, and just want to share it with you. So my grandma's really like into arts and crafts at the moment, and she's making these agendas. You guys can see this. This one is my mom's. Thought it was really cute. And this one is mine. I'm gonna show you my mom's first. So you just slip this off. It says, "You're lovely." Then you open it up and you have this. You have a page here. It has a little folder, has your calendar right there. I have a page here, style file, and just a lot of cute little knickknacks that you can write on and keep them in this little folder here. Here you have another folder where you can budget your monthly bills and everything. Some slips down in there. On this side, you have some more cute little things in regards to shopping with, you know, your clips and everything. Add some receipts in there, whatever you need to keep up with. Here, upcoming. Oh, planning out your day. Anything important. And another folder. Then here, she got her some envelopes with the stamps already on them. And then here she has her little notepad. Now, isn't that cute? But yeah, if this is something that you're interested in, like, send me a message and I could see about getting you guys one. But I'm gonna show you mine. It says, "Be true to who you are. It's hard to be a diamond in a rhinestone world." And then I have the words love here. A girl with a braid. Inside of mine, I believe in manicures. I believe in overdressing. I believe in primping at leisure and wearing lipstick. It's a girl thing. And that's a Audrey Hepburn quote. So yeah, y'all know I'm really girly. I have, you know, all of this makeup and stuff. And then inside of mine, same cute little stuff like my mom has, just a bit different. Spoil yourself. Have my folders here, and then my calendar attached there. Inside of here, fashion can be bought, style one must possess. I have my little clips and some more little note thingies. What's this? Oh, and another little label, and then my pad and my pen. I hope you're able to see that, but yeah, it's really cute. If that's something that you guys would like, again, just shoot me a message and I can get that info to you so that you can get your own made by her. You know, you gotta help family promote their businesses and stuff. But yeah, I think she's doing a really good job with it. She said that pretty much everyone in the family got one this Christmas. So that's cute. My grandma always gets us some tampons. You know, you can't go wrong with tampons. Need those. And I have this here. They put it all in a Victoria's Secret bag box. Inside of here, I have this first. Metallic is the new black. And it's one of those little zip up pouches. And inside of here, I have some metallic gel pens, some stickers, some letters, some more pretty stickers, some eyelashes, eyelash stickers, if you guys can see that. Got some mermaids, beach babe, you are magical stickers, some cute little girly stylish stickers, if you guys can see that. Some flowers, some watches, some clothes, you know, just an assortment of different clothing items, stickers, Boss Babe stickers, coffee and stuff, words. Okay, and these are some sheets to show me how to plan and customize my planner. Got a stationery set. So many cute items in there, as you guys can see. You see the paper clips, shaped like arrows, gold pencil sharpener, really cute items. Got some more gold paper clips. Some of these little, what are they called? They look like clothespins, little mini clothespins. Elmer's glue stick, some more little jewels. I'm not sure where I'm gonna put that, but this here is my weekly planner with a cute little keychain attached. So what I wanted to do for the year 2019 is I wanted a thick agenda, and I wanted inside of it, I wanted to do like a dream board. And I wanted to like go through and like do full pages for each month of like my goals and certain things, you know, in regards to my YouTube channel. Because I'd like to do a lot better on YouTube. I'm going to zoom out just a tad bit. But yeah, because I like to do a lot better with keeping up and just really sticking to a schedule next year. So that was my plan, and I kind of talked to my grandma about it since she makes those agendas and everything, and she put me a whole entire kit together. So this is something that I can start myself and just really, you know, get into it. It has like February goals, February to do, you know, important dates and all that extra stuff. So I'll be sure to use this one because I had a really cute one for the year 2017 and I literally did not use it. But yeah. So aside from that, I really laughed at this gift because it had to do with my last video. After my sister saw my video, my mom said that she told them, well, you know, she just did a bomb blowout, you know, with a no-name Conair hair dryer. I just told y'all yesterday, I was like, I need a new dryer. And I got one for Christmas. So I have an attachment now, y'all. I have an attachment. And I also have a diffuser. And this is my dryer. So thought that was really funny. But yeah, I hope that everyone had a wonderful Christmas. I didn't do anything, as I said before, you know, but it has been a pretty good day. I went to bed at like 6 a.m. Woke up at 12. I had so many missed calls and stuff when I woke up this morning. But yeah, we pretty much just chilled. We ate fish and stuff. Nothing special. We don't have any little babies, you know, running around here. So, you know, Christmas isn't really the same, but either way, I'm still grateful, you know, that I'm able to see the day and we're able to celebrate with friends and family and, you know, just love one another just as we would any other day. So yeah, but that's pretty much it. I didn't do anything, so I didn't really have anything to include you guys on. I guess I'm gonna sit here and maybe watch some movies or find something to do with my time. Get on the phone, get on Instagram, post some pictures maybe. Since, you know, I did take my hair down. How do you guys like it? Definitely comment down below and let me know, okay? Next we have New Year, so let me know what your New Year's resolutions are. Like, what are some goals or some things that you guys would like to get into next year? Like my journaling, for instance. You know, that's something that I would like to stick to and just be consistent. So let me know down below if you have anything that you're interested in doing that you plan to start for the year 2019, and I will see you guys in my next video. Be sure to subscribe. We're almost at 10,000 subscribers. It was actually my goal for the year 2018, but you know, things kind of slowed down a bit and I was having some issues with my hair. I ran out of hair products, so that's why I ended up having to straighten my hair. And you know, I just said I'm not gonna be so hard on myself because I know for sure that I'll make it to 10,000 eventually. You know, it's coming very soon. It just may not happen in the time that I expected, and I'm okay with that. But yeah, if you're not subscribed to my channel and you do enjoy my videos, be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you can be notified anytime that I do post. And thank you guys so much. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your Christmas night, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.